This 2009 Honda CR-V is brought to you by JS Love Motors International Inc. Black Friday drive-off specials all November long at JS Love Motors. We and our SPO, here to offer you great quality used cars to fit almost every budget. Only at JS Love Motors, where we consider your job first before your credit. Your job is your credit. Drive off today with $2,000 down. No hassle financing, now even lower monthly payments than ever. If you have something close to $2,000 down payment, come on down. We will work with you. Yes, drive off today. All our pre-owned vehicles come with a 1 month or 1,000 mile, whichever comes first, warranty. Extended warranty available. Our product speaks for itself. You will love what you buy only at JS Love Motors. That credit? No problem. This is your second chance dealership. No credit? We can help you establish credit history, prior repossessions. You can still drive off, no driver's license? Yes, we can finance you.